At Record, the design and installation of our entrance solutions is an efficient and smooth running process. Initially, our sales managers will discuss your budget and needs, then our estimating team will work with you to create a compliant solution to match your requirements. Once you are happy with the solution, you will be assigned a project manager who will attend site if required and work with your team to prepare all the necessary information. For more complex installations, our CAD team will finalise the drawings and request a sign-off. Your assigned project manager irons out the finer details, access requirements, RAL colours, finishes, and agrees any appropriate site preparations. Your order is then sent for manufacturing, with an installation date agreed between you and the planning team. On the day, our experienced engineers will begin the installation of your entrance solution carefully and with minimal disruption. As a final step, we commission the entrance and arrange the handover to your on-site team. To ensure your Record door provides years of reliable, safe and secure operation, we offer a wide range of service and maintenance contracts. This is why people choose Record time and again.